explanation in an even better manner, we have another activity, that is activity number 6. And in this activity, we have to spread a large sheet of paper on the ground and keep little sugar on it. Take a white piece of paper and sprinkle some sugar on that white piece of sheet. Now, many ants will come crawling on the sheet. As time goes by, you will see that some ants are being distributed on this sheet on which you have sprinkled some sugar. And after that, for any one ant, make a small mark with a pencil near its position on the sheet. So choose any one ant that is crawling on that sheet and mark its position. कि अगर ant किसी भी position पे है, take only one ant. You don't have to observe all the ants that are on the sheet. तो एक ant का आपने motion आपने read करना, observe करना है. Where that ant is moving, you have to point it with the pencil. If the ant is on the left side, then you have to mark it left. If it is moving slightly right, then point there. So now that way you have to track the motion of only one ant. So now keep making its position where it goes. Also, shake the paper and free of the sugar and ants. When you will be done with marking the position of that particular ant, now you shake the paper and free from the sugar and ants that are crawling on that sheet. Now, connect the different points you have marked. And this will look like this picture. Here you see that if this is my sheet of paper and I have sprinkled some sugar on it and the ants were here and I have marked the position of ant. For example, my ant is going here, then it is moving here, then it has come here. Now, see, this is the random motion. Ants doesn't move in a particular direction, but in the random motion. So I have got some random position like this and I have joined these dots like this. So I have got this kind of picture and this kind of movement of an ant. Yes. So likewise, you can see the sugar which have sprinkled on the paper and the ant which is moving from one place to another place. Yes. So this is what this idea is about, that how it is going to look when you will join the dots. After that, each point will show where the ant moved to. As you can see, the first ant was here, then it went here, then it came downwards, then sideways, then upwards, right? Or you can see in this picture also, it is moving in the curved direction first and then going ahead on the top. So these are the random ideas that we are getting when we observe the motion of an ant. So here we know that motion is some kind of a change in the position of an object with time. So for example, my ant was here at point A, then it reached point B. So it happened with time. Chahe it took around 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So 5 or 10 minutes ke time mein, the ant has moved from position A to position B. Means there is a change in position. Means the ant is not sitting or standing at one place. So that shows that what motion is. So here the definition of motion, it describes in a better way that motion is some kind of a change in the position of an object with time. So here is an animation of ant moving in a random direction. So with this depiction, you can see that ant is changing its place from one position to another position with passing time.